First, open Google. Search for Memesoundboard.org and click the official website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see trending meme sound buttons instantly. Want nonstop fun? Click Autoplay. Sounds play automatically one after another. Feeling random? Hit Random Play to discover surprise viral sounds instantly. Now, when you find a sound you really like, click on it to open the dedicated sound page. Here, you'll see a big sound button in the center. Tap it to play anytime. Below that, you get powerful options. Click Download to save the sound. Tap Favorite to add it to your collection. Use Share to send it to friends. Or choose Embed to use it on your website. Fast, simple, free. Memesoundboard.org, where every click makes your content more viral.